Hey guys, Snowberry Family Farm here. So today we're going to talk about our lettuce. So our lettuce has obviously flowered, and I'm going to show you guys how to save the seeds so you can use them next year. So we just have a little plastic Ziploc baggie and we've labeled what it is. So if you lick on this, it's very obvious that it has flowered. So you're going to look for these little white, little dandelion looking things, and then you're going to pinch. And inside here are the seeds. So there's a couple, I did a bad pinch, but there's a couple seeds right there. So all you're gonna do, here, we can get another one. You're gonna pinch and then just put them in the bag. And you can get as many as you like. You don't have to do too many. We just wanna be able to use these for next year without having to rebuy seeds. So, saves you money.
Daddy.
There you go.
Daddy, I got some seeds.
Oh, you got some seeds too? Good job, sis.
Like a bigger seeds.
You got some bigger
Thank
seeds.
you.